The hot weather that's expected for tomorrow is impacting school days around Western Mass. Our team coverage now continues with Western Mass News reporter Lindsay Kane, who joins us live in studio with those details. Lindsay?
Matt, many schools have already announced early dismissals for tomorrow because of these hot temperatures. One local health expert says it's important parents prepare their children for this heat.
It's been a hot weekend here in Western Mass, and the scorching temperatures aren't going away just yet. Many families spend Sunday trying to cool off.
They've opened it up early. You know, there's a lot of the pools aren't open, and so having a splash pad open makes a big difference when it's, 90 degrees. So we're excited to be here.
The heat advisory is impacting all of the area. Local schools are even making changes due to the hot temperatures. On Monday, Springfield Public Schools, Chicopee Public Schools, East Hampton Public Schools, Munson Public Schools, Holyoke Public Schools, Westfield Public Schools, the Hampshire Regional School District, and South Hadley Public Schools are all letting students out early to beat the heat. Meanwhile, Ware Public Schools are canceling Monday's school day altogether. Dr. Bobby Redwood, Chief of Emergency Medicine at Cooley Dickinson Hospital, tells Western Mass News it's not surprising school districts are changing their plans. He says kids need to take on this heat slow and steady.
You want to give yourself some time to acclimatize a little bit. The first heat wave of the year, you want to only be out for 15, 30 minutes at a time until your body adjusts.
For parents, he says it's important to be mindful of what outdoor activities you're doing with your children.
Slides and playground equipment can get really hot, up to 140 degrees. And just 4 seconds on a hot slide can cause a second-degree burn.
While using sunscreen, drinking water, and staying in the shade are all common tips, Dr. Redwood says keeping an eye on the clock will help your kids avoid the hottest points of the day.
I want to go do that activity early in the day or late in the day rather than the peak sunshine.
And we are continuing to follow the latest early dismissals across our area, so stick with Western Mass News on air and online for the latest information. Live in studio, Lindsay Kane, Western Mass News.